Yo, what is up YouTube? It's your boy Breezy Kicks, the Sneaker Fiend. Now today we're looking at the Plum Nike Dunk Lows releasing February 7th. Now before we get into the sneakers, make sure if you're new to the channel you subscribe, hit that like button if you like the content. Also, if you're interested in my clothing brand that I got coming out, it's called Soul Luxury. You can follow that Instagram at The Soul Luxury. And you can also follow me on Instagram at Breezy_Kicks23. With that being said, let's get into the video.
Most of the time when these people be talking, I don't even hear them. I don't. They talk and they talk, but I do not hear shit when I'm near them.
Although Nike did re-image the Plum Dunk Low as a high top back in 2011, the 2001 sneaker is making its return for the first time ever in its OG form next month. This Plum colorway was originally part of the Ugly Duckling pack that also included the veneer and ceramic makeups, which were only available in Japan. Staying true to the original, this pair dons a mixture of purple shades on the premium suede upper with red accents found on the swoosh, laces, heel tab, and outsole. The Nike Dunk Low Plum releases February 7th via the Snkrs app and select Nike retailers. Retail price is set at $110. Now in this video I'm gonna go over just the overall look of the sneaker as well as where this shoe is gonna be dropping, tips and tricks when it comes to the Snkrs app. Also, I will be getting into my resale predictions. But before we do that, let's just look over this shoe. The colorway is two different shades of purple with red hints. The full suede upper looks to be very nice, high quality. One reason I really like Dunks and SB Dunks is just because the retail price is low, they look good, and the quality is always on point. The quality is just stupid fire. Compared to Jordans, it's just ridiculous. Really, Jordans slack off a lot of the time and they retail for a lot higher. A lot of OG sneakerheads really like Dunks as well. It's one of the oldest, just most simplest, but cleanest shoes out there. And they absolutely killed the quality on this sneaker. I love the buttery suede. It looks so nice. Like you just want to put it on your feet, man. You got the outer panels in that dark purple with the underlay in that light purple. In the back you got some gray, but you also got the red suede back on the Nike heel tab and on the Nike swoosh. The shoe does come with the red maroon type laces. I definitely think the shoe would look good with some white laces, maybe some purple, but honestly I don't think purple would go that well with it. I think it would look really nice with either white or just these original laces. Midsole comes in white, red outsole, nothing super crazy. You got a gray tongue with a gray tab up at the top with the Nike logo in red. Then you got a purple lining, dark purple insole with the red Nike logo. I really like this shoe. I definitely think there is gonna be resell. I'll get into that in a second. Now, as for where to cop this shoe, the Snkrs app is gonna be the main place to go. I will try and leave a bunch of links of different stores dropping this shoe. As I get the information, I'll just update the description area. Now, like I said, the Snkrs app is gonna be the main place for it. And it really surprises me how many people are into shoes but don't know that much about the Snkrs app. Because I put out these little tips and tricks. They're nothing that guarantees you the sneaker, but I definitely believe it works, it helps. Just helps better your chances of getting the shoe. And I've had a lot of people message me on my other videos where I've talked about these tips and tricks, just like totally clueless to what the Snkrs app is. So for those of you who don't know what the Snkrs app is, it is Nike's app. So it's run by Nike. It is an actual Nike app just set primarily for exclusive sneakers. With this release, I don't think it's gonna be a draw. Therefore, you need to make sure your account is set up. Preset your password, get your thumbprint on there so it's just an easy setup. Whatever size you're going for, make sure it's preset. Make sure your right account is in there, you got money in your account. Because I know me personally, there's been times where I've switched to my PayPal or different cards and I wasn't paying attention and I go and try to charge a card that doesn't have money on it instead of using my PayPal or say my debit card. So make sure you have the right card set up. So the shoe will release at 10 a.m. Eastern time. Another problem I've had is a lot of people tell me, hey man, how can I get this shoe? I'm not in the US. My country doesn't have the Snkrs app. I'm being honest, I don't know worldwide. I'm, you know, mainly based in the US, but like I said, I will leave links down below. I'll try to separate it worldwide releases and US shipping only, just to help you guys out. Like, it's unfortunate that sometimes you guys just won't get certain sneakers. That's just the way it is. Just like the US doesn't get some sneakers, like this original colorway only released in Japan. Now the US is finally gonna get it, you know, 19 years later. That's just what it is. That's how sneakers are, especially when it comes to limited and luxury shoes. I'll try to help you guys out, but yeah, I can't guarantee anything. It just kind of sucks. You might have to pay resale, and that's unfortunate. Now, speaking of resale, the original shoe is going for about $700 to $1,000. This is the 2001 sneaker that dropped exclusively to Japan. Then you got the high top version that dropped in 2011 that's going for around $600, give or take a few hundred. So currently on StockX, the 2020 release sneaker is going for $350 to around $600. I definitely think that price is gonna drop a bit after release date, but I do think there's gonna be some resale. My predictions are resale is gonna go from $250 to $400. I think the size 8s are gonna be your $350s and possibly higher. You know, those lower sizes, and your higher sizes are probably gonna stay around $250, maybe hit $300. Those are my predictions. Retail is $110, so I mean, you'll be making some good money if you are looking to resell this sneaker. Now, I know a lot of people want this shoe as a personal pair. They want to just be part of their collection. Me personally, I would wear the shoe, but if I got it, I would just sell it just for the resale. That's just me being honest. There's other shoes I'd rather have in my collection, and if there's money to be made, I'm gonna take that money over the sneaker. A shoe has to be very sentimental to me for me to not give up that resale value, just because, you know, we all gotta eat, we all gotta make money. I make this channel to help you guys out. I know there's a lot of resellers out there, a lot of people who want to become resellers, and we're all kind of growing together. I'm trying to help you guys out. I'm trying to learn from you guys. If you're into reselling, if you're into sneakers, all that stuff, you want to, you know, grow together, make sure you subscribe to the channel. I appreciate everyone who has bought any clothing from me, or who just went and followed the Soul Luxury account or my Breezy Kicks account, who subscribe on here. I appreciate you all. It means a lot to me. With that being said, have a great day. It's your boy Breezy Kicks. We out.
Turn up, we should take it slow. We got all these problems, maybe I should let you know. We don't gotta do this, I'm just hoping that you know. We got all these issues, we just can't let them show.